Hello, everyone. I am Nora. I am so happy to see you again. Today is a very special day. It is Saturday and the sun is shining. My family and I are going on an adventure. We are going to the zoo. Going to the zoo is a great way to see animals from all over the world. It is also a perfect chance for us to learn new English words. Today, I am not alone. I want you to meet my family. This is my boyfriend, Mark. He is very kind and loves nature. This is my daughter, Emma. She is 8 years old and loves colorful birds. And this is my son, Logan. He is 5 years old and he is very excited to see the big lions. Are you ready to learn zoo vocabulary with us? Let's prepare for our trip. Before we leave, we must prepare. Preparation is important for a long day out. We pack a backpack with essentials. What do we need? First, I put a bottle of water for everyone. It is important to stay hydrated. Next, Mark puts some sunscreen in the bag. The sun is strong and we want to protect our skin. Emma brings her sun hat and her sunglasses. She looks very cute. Logan wants to bring his binoculars. He wants to see the animals from far away. I also prepare some snacks in our kitchen. I pack some apples, bananas, and crackers. Zoo food can be expensive, so it is smart to bring some snacks. Finally, I check the zoo map on my phone. The zoo is very big, and we don't want to get lost. Now we are ready. We walk to the garage. We get into our glossy red car. Mark is the driver today. The children buckle their seatbelts in the back seat. Safety first. As we drive, we talk about the animals. Logan asks, "Mom, will we see a tiger?" I say, "Yes, Logan, I think so." Emma says, "I want to see the flamingos." The drive takes about 20 minutes. Mark parks the car in the large parking lot. We are here. Can you see the big sign? It says, City Zoo, welcome. We walk to the entrance. There is a small line of people. Mark goes to the ticket booth to buy the tickets. He asks the cashier, "Hello, 2 adults and 2 children, please." The cashier gives him 4 entry tickets. Mark also asks, "Can I have a printed map?" It is helpful to have a paper map. We walk through the turnstile and enter the zoo. The first thing we see is a big fountain. The air smells like grass and trees. There are many signs with arrows. One arrow points to the savannah, another to the primate forest, and another to the reptile house. Our first stop is the African savannah. This is a very large enclosure. An enclosure is the place where animals live in the zoo. Look, the giraffes are eating leaves from the tall trees. Giraffes are amazing. They are the tallest animals in the world. They have very long necks and purple tongues. Logan uses his binoculars. He says, "Wow, they are so high." Next to the giraffes, we see the zebras. Zebras have beautiful black and white stripes. No 2 zebras have the same pattern. They are eating grass. Emma asks, "Are they like horses?" I explain, "Yes, they are in the same family, but they are wild animals." Then we see the most majestic animals, the elephants. The elephants have huge ears and a long trunk. They use their trunk to pick up food and spray water. A baby elephant is following its mother. It is so small and gray. We stay here for 10 minutes to watch them. Now we walk to the big cats section. Logan is very excited. We arrive at the lion's habitat. The lion is resting on a big rock. The male lion has a thick golden mane. He looks like a king. Suddenly, he stands up and opens his mouth. The lion lets out a powerful roar. Roar! Logan jumps a little bit, but then he smiles. Mark takes a photo with his camera. Behind a large glass window, we see the tiger. The tiger has orange fur with black stripes. It is walking slowly. It is very quiet. Tigers are excellent hunters. Emma says, "Look at its big paws." She is right. The paws are very large. Walking makes us hungry. We find a wooden picnic table under a big tree. It is time for lunch. We eat our sandwiches and fruit. Mark buys some cold juice from a nearby kiosk. A kiosk is a small shop that sells drinks and snacks. We throw our trash in the recycling bin. It is important to keep the zoo clean for the animals. While we rest, we look at the map. Emma wants to go to the primate forest. Logan wants to see the snakes. We decide to go to the monkeys first. We walk into a place with many trees and ropes. This is the primate forest. The monkeys are swinging from the branches. They are very fast and funny. Some monkeys are eating nuts and others are playing together. One small monkey makes a funny face at Logan. Then we see the gorillas. The gorillas are very strong and intelligent. One big gorilla is sitting quietly and eating bamboo. He looks very calm. I tell the children, gorillas are our cousins in the animal world. We must be very quiet here because gorillas like peace. Now we enter a building. It is a bit dark inside. This is the reptile house. Inside there are many glass tanks or terrariums. We see a long green snake slithering on a branch. Snakes do not have legs. Their skin is covered in scales. Emma is a little bit scared, but Mark holds her hand. "Don't worry, Emma, the snake is behind the glass," he says. In another tank, we see a crocodile. The crocodile is staying very still in the water. Only its eyes are visible. It looks like a log. We also see a giant tortoise. Tortoises move very slowly and can live for over 100 years. They have a very hard shell to protect them. Before we finish, we go to a special area. This is the petting zoo. Here, children can touch and feed some animals. Logan and Emma are feeding the goats. The goats are very hungry and gentle. Emma is stroking a soft white bunny. Bunnies have very soft fur and long ears. Logan is laughing because a small sheep is sniffing his shoes. This part of the zoo is great because the animals are friendly. We wash our hands at the sanitizing station after touching the animals. Washing your hands is very important after being with animals. Our day is almost finished, but first we visit the gift shop. The shop is full of toys and books. Emma chooses a stuffed flamingo toy. It is pink and soft. Logan chooses a plastic dinosaur. I buy some postcards to send to Grandma and Grandpa. Mark pays the cashier at the counter. We have many good memories from today. It is late afternoon. We walk back to our red car. The children are tired and they fall asleep during the drive home. When we arrive at our yellow house, we feel very happy. We look at the photos of the lions and giraffes on Mark's camera. Today was a wonderful day at the zoo. We learned many things. We learned that animals need a good habitat, that lions roar, and that zebras have stripes. What about you? Do you like the zoo? What is your favorite animal? Is it the tall giraffe or the powerful lion? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you for joining my family on this adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons with me, Mark, Emma, and Logan. See you next time. Bye-bye.